Sorry, what's going on?
There's a guy, he's the father of my little brother, and he's trying to kill my mom. He has a gun.
Okay. How old are you?
About fast.
Wait,
I'm 12.
Okay. We have everyone on the way. Is this guy inside or outside?
He's outside and he has my mom.
Which way did they go? ¿Español? ¿A dónde fue? Está aquí, pero se la llevó a la muchacha. ¿Le llevó a dirección? ¿A dirección al sur? Sí.
She doesn't. Control Air 101, harder traffic. Got the suspect out of the vehicle, dragging the victim. They're at a roadblock on the bridge at the river on Kelly. Get somebody here, code 3. All right, suspect's got his hands up, and victim is walking to deputies now. They got the suspect on his knees, and they have the victim.
Are you okay? Are you hurt anywhere? Let's go on the other side. Let's see this car. Are you okay? Do you need an ambulance?
D44, victim is secure in a car. She's advising you have something to
Señor, levántate! Con tus manos arriba!
Call the suspect back now.
Get on your knees! On your knees!